What is up, guys? Fast, back from Tech and Toys, and welcome to another new video. So today I'm basically here to show you how you can install the one and only game Fortnite on your own iOS devices. But then before that, I wanna ask you guys to forgive me because I haven't uploaded a video for almost 3 weeks, and I was really sick, and then even my exams were going on. So pretty much that's why I was not able to upload my YouTube videos. But then from next year, like every school kid, this period will be there in my life for almost more 2 or 3 years. So I'll be making videos from before, and I'll be keeping them in my desktop, in my Windows PC, or anywhere that I can store them, and I'll be just uploading them during my exams. So I won't let you down from next year. So if you've come here for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you've liked this video further, please do hit the like button. And without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so this is the game I was talking about. This is the one and only Fortnite, which you can absolutely get for free on your device after you watch this video. And most of the people wish to have this game on their phones. If you didn't know, Fortnite is a game which is all about action and arcade. But then I actually don't have to go into too much depth of this technical knowledge about the game. But then yeah, I'm gonna show you how you can install it directly from the App Store without having any third-party app. So the link down in the description below will take you or redirect you straight away to the App Store. You want to open it in the App Store, install it. Now after you install this game, it's going to initialize and finalize the game. So for that, it's going to take up to 10 to 20 minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection. And yeah, and after that, it's going to ask you to sign up or log in. Now if you're having an account for Fortnite from before, or if you've played Fortnite before on any other device, you can go and log in. Otherwise, you need to sign up like me, as I did. I had to sign up for playing this game. And one thing I noticed in this game was it was pretty smooth, even after having such high graphics and such high, it actually heats up the phone. But then it's pretty smooth. I haven't seen a frame drop until now, and this process must take a time, because again, this depends on your internet connection, the speed of your internet connection. But it won't take that much time, how much that initializing process does, because it is a one-time process, and that's all. It's just gonna set up your game and stuff, character and stuff. So yeah, it's gonna take some time. But then after this, it's gonna take you for loading again. Now here it's going to show some instructions like tap to change material, enter content mode, and restore places and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much, and boom, so we are in the game. And as you can see, there are not even minor frame drops in the game. It's pretty smooth, pretty legit, and the graphics are amazing for this game. So yeah, I actually wanted to play a game like this from starting of my phone's journey. So yeah, I'll wrap up this video over here. This was a quick short video on how to install Fortnite on your own iOS devices. So if you've liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you've come here for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. And like always, this was Fast from Tech and Toys, and I'll catch you up in the next one. Until then, peace.